Alright, cool. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. You guys want 40 miles per hour? Alright, go, 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 go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Let's go, keep going. Motherfuckers. What the fuck are you guys doing? That's the most fucked up shit.
Oh, holy. Oh. Oh.
¿Y sí? Este soy yo. Antes de que todo se fuera al carajo.
¡Hoy es un gran día para morir!
Mira que mamá, bicho. Está grabado.
Completely. Yeah, there's. There's. No. Oh, it's big. Oh.
Probably for the insurance too.
Oh yeah, I definitely need insurance.
you running a red light? You running a red light.
Oye, ¿y ese man es una sorpresa?
¿Ves?
Uy, Dios mío, ese man. Él se estrelló.
El de la moto.
Sí, el de
Unleashed.
I believe somebody's headed straight at me on 115th. $10.50.
Bill 116 on foot. Can't see how many deputies are ahead of me.
I'm fine. And I'm not even bleeding yet. It's in my vest, I think. It's in my vest. Yeah, I'm in my vest.
What the fuck?
cute she is. The dog! The dog! Oh my god. Oh! Okay, alright, but like, help him though. Stop.
Yeah.
I swear there's a speed camera here too. Oh my god! Oh no! 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 You alright? O szkur... O mój Boże. Jezu, nic się wam nie stało? Co byście co byście to zrobili? Jezu, co się wam nie stało?
Parents, the younger version of yourself, giving yourself everything you needed back then, but didn't receive. I'm going to use the theory of the inner child to help us become better at reading people. In the same way, we can learn to identify when someone is operating from their shadow. We can see if someone is motivated particularly from their inner child. If you're having an argument with a partner and they're angry and defensive, you may suddenly see
Today's exercise. I'll throw him back. Okay. Toy Story at 3 in Blockbuster, and I did not think landing this.
the issuance of the charge, and that doesn't have anything to do with the drawing of the blood.
I don't know.
Is your car okay?
Are you good, bro? Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Cody, sit down. Sit down. Okay. Sit down, bro. Sit down.
Pierdolony. Nie wstawaj, usiądź sobie.
Yo! The front slipped!
Okay, here's the first instance where we meet, me and this biker. He turns right, he comes all the way from the right lane, he's gonna get all the way to the left lane, and then he's gonna proceed to go very, very slow, or brake very, very hard on me. Now, I wanna know why. How are you on a two-wheeler, and you don't do what I just did? Like, bro, you on a two-wheeler, you're faster, quicker, more acceleration, much better handling, and I showed him how it was done. So I guess this guy, his feelings hurt. It really hurt his ego. Like, oh, you think you're gonna, you think you're better than me, or you think you're more manlier than me. Like, you should have been did this. Now, I want to let you guys know, in Florida, they're gonna pass a bill that you don't need a permit to conceal carry anymore. So everyone has a gun. I recently watched a video of a 12-year-old going inside of a middle school with a gun in his book bag. It's like, bro, hey, you can get shot by a 12-year-old these days.